Hello students, TPO, deans and directors. Something which drives you to watch this video is placements. Students aspire to a healthy package and wealthy portfolios. Institutes are aiming to onboard more number of companies and eventually greater placement ratio. We at Shikuyaa, Let's Upskill, aim to make rural India skilled and employable. With an experience of more than 6 years, 10,000 plus placements, 25 plus college associates, 1 lakh hours of training, 80,000 students, and expertise in company specific training, we are now expanding our horizons with digital learning tool Shikuyaa, a comprehensive mobile learning platform. Shikuyaa offers employability courses with optimal cost, including a perfect blend of pre-recorded, live and classroom sessions, supplemented with practice tests, assessment tests, resume writing, interviews and many more. Graphically rich videos not only conceptualize the basics but also leverage the imagination of a candidate. Shikuyaa's effectively designed courses help students to learn problem solving, critical thinking, change management, presence of mind, and many other life skills. Shikuyaa's creatively curated combats, quizzes, engage students in a proactive learning, making the learning process more interesting and exciting. Finally, Shikuyaa builds a detailed analysis of a candidate with his learning index and performance analysis. A global and local rank enables all of us to measure our students in this cutthroat competition. Sharing this rank and result with corporates and industries helps us to allow our students to explore various placement opportunities. Stay tuned with us for more information regarding training and placement. Subscribe to our social handles for more information. We aim to assist you to achieve your placement goals. A warm welcome to Shikuyaa, the world of upskilling.